मैं हैदराबाद में एक इवेंट करने वाला हूँ 28 अक्टूबर शनिवार को 4:30 से 5 बजे तक। जो उधर मुझे मिलना चाहे वो नीचे दिए हुए जीमेल आईडी में और व्हाट्सएप नंबर में कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। hyderabadmoneypage@gmail.com उसका ईमेल एड्रेस है। मैं आपको हैदराबाद में मिलाऊंगा।
नमस्कार, फिर पैसा बोलता है, आपका स्वागत है। Today I'm going to talk in Hindi a little bit. You can just see a promo in the intro part. Now I'm going to ask the questions in English as always.
That's all right. Okay.
Today we are going to talk about an article which is spreading like a fire in the money control site, establishing a man called Anil Kumar Goyal. I think so. He is a 71-year-old man. Whose portfolio, which will be a dream portfolio for the youngsters like us. So he started his investment in 40 years.
Yeah, 41.
After 41 years. Now we came to this much. So we are going to ask Alvin how he read the article and what are all the things he understood. And he will give us some tips about the value investing. Let's go on to that. So
okay, as you rightly said, Anil Kumar Goyal started his stock market investing only in the age of 41. But till 41, what he was doing? Let's have a brief run throughout his career. So he did his schooling in Batala near Amritsar. But at the age of 16, he came to Chennai. His grandfather was staying in Chennai and was running a steel business with him. So at the age of 16 itself, he joined the business along with his grandfather. His grandfather taught him each and every nuances of the business steel industry, and he was running the business profitably for nearly 26 years. And he had shared an experience like at the time when during 1970s, when there was a lot of steel that was available with SAIL India as well as with Cisco, now it's called as Tata Steel. When there were a lot of steel that were in the warehouses of these companies, he just got in touch with a SAIL industry SAIL plant that was in Chennai, and with that manager, he got the steel at a very lesser price. So the steel's normal price that time was nearly 2,000 rupees it seems, but and the production cost was nearly 1,600. But he got the same steel price at 1,200 rupees from SAIL plant in Chennai. So with that itself, he understood like every commodity is into a cycle. So each and every commodity has a cyclical phase. When it is down, we have to have the gut to buy it a lot. And once it soars high, we can sell it. Okay, but one has to have gut. And this philosophy that he implemented in his own business, he implemented in stock market as well. So in 1992, as you all know about Ashad Mehta, the case that had happened in 1992. That time he shared a very good experience with the money control during the money control interview. In that time, he had a good friendship with a bank manager where he had account change. So that bank manager had invested a lot of money in stock market that time, and he had made a lot of profits because during the Ashad Mehta phase. This guy, Goyal, has advised him to pull out the entire amount or at least pull out the capital from the market. So his capital will be safe and the profit alone will be in the market. But he never listened to it since. But when the scam broke, the entire portfolio of this manager went down, it seems. So with this experience, he got a chance. He had a spark in his mind to venture into stock market. Okay, I am getting something right. He was thinking like that. So when he entered stock market, as you rightly said, he was around 41 years old. Okay, for us now we are around in our 20s, 25 to 30 we are in. So it's the right time for us to start now ourselves. As Anand sir used to say, our runway is very huge, very long. We have a very long runway and timely investment with patience as well as with consistency. That is what it matters, and the rest of it, the time will decide. So this is
Yeah, but the thing is, Anand sir said most of the things to me, but the main thing he always says is the runway. You have so much runway. You got so much time to do stuffs. Now my doubt is, anybody who is above 40 wouldn't think like this. Like we have so much runway, we will try to we will try to learn stock market. We will try to invest. Nobody's thinking like that. After they become older, precisely want to say like crossing the 40s. When they cross 40, they will think like this. We will use the bond as an investment. we will put money in a safe place, not to
Okay,
go.
like FD gold like that. Yeah, it's a normal Indian mentality. Yeah,
Yeah, but in this case, that Anish Kumar Goyal had inspired so much of people who were crossed 40s that he started
yeah,
his investment in the age of 41.
yeah.
So is this called value investing?
Yeah, as you rightly said, Anil Kumar Goel started investing in 41, but he
Yeah.
was very much specific on where he is investing in. He just
Mm.
invest in commodity stocks, fine, because he was a businessman from a commodity industry. He was handling steel industry. So what he used to do is he will be investing in sugar companies. He used to invest in textile companies. He used to invest in steel companies.
Mm.
Okay, so when a stock is available at a throwaway price. Okay, for example, as I said before, the steel that was lying in the sale plant, he got it at a cheaper rate. So if
Mm.
a stock is available at a cheaper price, go and grab it at a huge quantity. That was his
Mm.
strategy. And he has admitted to the interviewer that he never reached any balance sheet. That's it. So he never reached any balance sheet of any company, James. But then he used to look at the fundamentals. So more than the numbers, more than the technical analysis, the fundamentals of the company matters a lot, and you must know the business. You must know the entire cycle of the business operation. You have
Okay.
to you have to understand your own circle of competence. Here
Mm.
we can quote Warren Buffett. During COVID, he has bought some airline shares, it seems. Okay,
No.
but yeah, he has bought some airline shares, and after COVID, he has admitted in a public forum in front of the shareholders. He admitted like, I made a very big mistake in my investing lifetime. Okay, because he was not so he was no okay. He was not so knowledgeable in airline industry. He was his interest, his area of competence is not airline sector. But COVID has dropped the entire airline industry, and the share prices went down enormously. And he has admitted like it was his bigger mistake. So the genius of value investing, Warren Buffett itself has a circle of competence with him. And same way, Goal has done the same. So if a person who's above 40 years, he can target on certain stocks that that is within his circle of competence or a circle of competence. Like he might be working in an IT industry. Okay, he might be aware of the upcoming advancements in the IT industry, so he can invest in a lot of IT stocks.
Mm.
Or if is very much risk averse, he can very well put funds in funds, passive investment. Okay, like he can invest in Nifty 50, he can invest in large cap fund like that. Because again, the same Warren Buffett had made a $1 million bet in the year 2008, where he challenged the edge managers like, I stand by S&P 500 index, and none of you can beat the index in the long run. So, for example, for a 10-year period, no edge managers would be able to beat the S&P 500 index. So, active investment versus passive investment in a value investing mode. In a long term, the passive investment only will succeed. So if you are proper knowledge, you can pick out stocks that is within your circle of competence, but you must be patient. The time that you have to allocate is the most important thing. So more than the numbers, look into the fundamentals. But if you are very much risk averse, try to invest in passive funds, and over a long period of time, maybe some 10 years or 15 years or 20 years, it will beat the index. It will beat all the active investments, even after deducting expenses, even after deducting commissions and all. Passive funds will give a better return than active funds. But stock picking is just an art, whereas timing the market is a bit difficult. But you can pick stocks that are in a throwaway price. For example, ITC. For example,
Mm.
Kalyan Jewellers was at 60 rupees. For example, Karnataka Bank was at 35 rupees. Now it's 240. Kalyan Jewellers had crossed 300 rupees. Like that, each and every stock has a potential in the future. For even Tata Motors, the main stock that is surging a lot in the last 2 3 years. It was available at 60 rupees during the COVID phase. And if one had gut to invest in stock market, he would have bought Tata Motors at 60 rupees and he had made a 10 bagger. So one has to wait patiently, read the fundamentals, and the rest is with value investing, and that's it.
Okay.
Yeah,
So thank you for joining us today, Alvin.
yeah.
So
Thank you so much, Keshav, for having me. Yeah,
I think so. You guys have enjoyed our conversation about and if you, I will put the article link in the description. It will be so inspiring to read that. So as we came to the end of the video, hope you guys like this video. Please do watch and subscribe our channel. Put like, comment, and share. Thank you.
Thank you.